news that's coming in, and this is in connection to the 2012 Chhawla rape case. The Supreme Court has acquitted 3 men who were awarded the death penalty by a Delhi court after being held guilty of raping and killing a 19-year-old woman in Delhi's Chhawla area in 2012. And going straight across to my colleague Meenakshi, who is joining us live with the broadcast for more on this. Meenakshi, this is a big decision that has been taken by the Supreme Court. Take us through the details.
Well, yes, you see, the order copy on this one is really awaited and keenly awaited to understand the reasons why the Supreme Court, in a very rare occasion, does the Supreme Court really intervene in matters of this nature, where the trial court and earlier the High Court have also affirmed the death penalty in this case. Clearly, the prosecution must have been found lacking on this particular matter, because this is the 2012 Chhawla murder case which had happened here, which had shocked the consciousness again. But there is a very important concept in criminal jurisprudence, which is the benefit of doubt and also reasonable doubt. In this case, if the prosecution has failed to effectively establish the case, its own case against these 3 convicts, then the benefit of the reasonable doubt is always tilted in favor of the accused and former convicts. But like you rightly mentioned, it is on rare occasions that the Supreme Court intervene in such cases and overturn, because you see, the trial court and earlier the High Court both had confirmed the death penalty for the 3 men in this case. But today the Supreme Court acquitting the 3 is a literal overhauling of 2 judicial orders in this rape and murder case. And clearly that has happened because, again, we underline, we are awaiting the order copy on this one. But as we have seen in criminal jurisprudence, the aspect of reasonable doubt is always tilted in favor of the accused if the prosecution effectively fails to establish the case, and in the face of clinching evidence not proving the case, where the prosecution has not been able to establish the facts leading up to the murder and the heinous rape incident, the Supreme Court then intervenes and gives the accused a benefit of doubt, or gives them the benefit of reasonable doubt. So order copy, again, as we underline, is awaited on this one, but a virtual overhauling of 2 judicial orders passed by the trial court and then later by the High Court in the 2012 Chhawla rape and murder case, the Supreme Court acquitting the 3 men, or the 3 accused and former convicts.
Right, Meenakshi, many thanks for joining us with all those details.